Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into Roblox and opening the avatar editor. This gets you directly into customization. Next, make sure you enable classic body options if you want the original gray look, because modern rigs change shading and proportions. Then search Marketplace for neutral gray clothing and accessories. Pick basic gray shirts and pants and inexpensive or free gray hats. Once done, equip those items as your base layer, so the next steps change the overall tone effectively. Now you assemble the pieces to create a consistent gray appearance. Start by equipping gray shirt and pants, then add a plain face or neutral head accessory so facial colors don't break the palette. Make sure to adjust body color sliders in the avatar editor to match the clothing's gray shade. Small differences ruin the uniform look. Also remove any glossy or colorful accessories. Once your base is uniform, test the outfit in a game to verify lighting and shading read as gray. Finish by checking how your gray avatar appears under several lighting presets, since different games can wash out or darken grays. If colors render incorrectly, log out and back in, clear Roblox cache, or unequip then re-equip items to force an update. If a purchased item doesn't match, use Roblox refund or swap options within the allowed window. Finally, keep one saved outfit version so you can restore the gray look quickly if another change breaks it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.